Hello, this is Carol from Carol's Crafty Canvas. I'm going to make some collage fodder today. That is what this is. I have a dog behind me acting silly. It is handmade stuff using Sharpie, and I was using ink tints. The dog behind me is cracking me up. Sorry. Ink tints blocks and just doodling and cutting things out. Sometimes it's on book page. Sometimes it's on mail paper. I thought this would kind of be interesting. This was in some mail I got, and it's all different languages. Let's start with that since I have it out. So I'm going to set some of these out that I've already made, just so I remember what I did in the past. If they're getting stuck here. There we go. There we go. I'll just do those. I'll do this one like that first. I don't know why I always go that direction, but I do. I always like the stem to be slightly fatter because it makes it easier to glue and cut out. The best thing about this is you do not have to be perfect. It's just fun doodling and then coloring with the Sharpie. So I'm going to do a stripe on each one. This one's a little big. Most of my journals and postcards are not this large. I used to paint on 16 by 20 inch canvases, but I realized storage is an issue the more you paint. So then I started using art journals and mixed media notebooks. That worked out pretty good. But I just like working smaller now. And storage is one of the reasons. I like using a Sharpie because if I decide I want to color, paint, or glue, it will not streak. Do a flower right here. You know what? I don't want this going through on my mat here. There we go, much better. Get rid of that. Those are stays put. All right. Then try one like that. Or like that. There's so many different ways. I almost enjoy doing this more than other things. They always end up being wonky. Even if I try really hard for it not to be. I am going to now go around the edges on one side. Make it thicker on one side. And as I do that, I can fix any issues I have, like right here. I can go on the outside edge of that and fix that way. Now, I'll make this one a little fatter there. I'm going to go like that. Add a little loop on top. Right, and I will a little Sharpie fine tip on and make an extra little design in it. And that's the best thing. Even though you have a slip up with your hand, doesn't really matter. The other thing I like to do is these are Sharpie Creative markers. They are like a paint tip. You can, I'll do it here. This one, make dots or whatever. Gently, you do it gently because these, you could ruin the tip, and they're too good of markers to ruin the tip. Yeah, I like how that looks. And because it's a Sharpie, when I do decide to glue it onto something, it won't bleed. Let's get all this trash thrown away. Turn it upside down. Show you what they look like. Cute. Okay, I'll let those dry. Put them in my stash. One of these days, I'm gonna have to use some of this stuff. It's just fun to make. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I hope you come back.